Have you ever been deep into coding only to be interrupted by unexpected errors? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you're dealing with unreferenced tasks being destroyed by the garbage collector in Python's asyncio, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when your tasks seem to vanish without a trace, especially when you're relying on them for crucial network operations. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges with asyncio. Here's the specific situation we're diving into. One user recently asked, "Why are my asyncio tasks being destroyed by the garbage collector?" They noticed that their network tasks were disappearing before completion, leading to warnings about pending tasks. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? In Python's asyncio, tasks can be garbage collected if there are no references to them. This often happens when tasks are created but not properly managed. We'll break this down step by step to help you understand. And stick around. I've got a great workaround at the end that will help you manage your asyncio tasks effectively and keep them from being destroyed unexpectedly. To address the issue of unreferenced tasks being destroyed by the garbage collector, the user should first ensure that they are keeping a reference to the tasks they create. This can be done by storing them in a list, as the user has already done with the obs tasks list. Next, the user should consider using asyncion's built-in functionality to manage these tasks more effectively. Instead of just appending tasks to a list, they can use asyncion's gather function to run multiple tasks concurrently while still keeping track of them. Additionally, the user should ensure that they are handling task completion properly. This means checking if tasks are done and removing them from the list once they are finished. This will help manage memory usage and prevent the list from growing indefinitely. Finally, if the user wants to await the task in the RPC callback without stalling other AMQP operations, they can use asyncio.createTask to schedule the task to run in the background. This allows the callback to return immediately while the task runs. Did you know? The garbage collector in Python is like a janitor. It cleans up after you, but sometimes it can throw away things you still need. So it's crucial to keep an eye on what you're referencing. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that when a task is scheduled, its callback maintains a reference to the task. However, if the task awaits a future and that future is not referenced elsewhere, it can be garbage collected, leading to the task being destroyed. To prevent this, ensure that the future the task is waiting on is always referenced. Here's the workaround I promised. Always keep a reference to your asyncio tasks and consider using asyncio.gather for better task management. This simple habit can save you from unexpected errors in the future. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to manage your asyncio tasks and prevent them from being destroyed unexpectedly. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video on advanced asyncio techniques.